How to create an account for Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create an account for Meta Business Suite. Now, how do you create an account for Meta Business Suite? The first thing to do is to visit Meta Business Suite. And how do you do so? Open your web browser, and then in your web browser, go to the search box and then type out Meta Business Suite. All right, just type it out in the Meta Business Suite and then click on the search icon. Okay, that way. Now click on the search icon and then the Meta Business Suite will be displayed. Just go ahead and click on it, and then you can see the option get started. Click on get started. All right, and then the reason I was brought here directly is because I have an account created already. Now this is how Meta Business Suite's page looks like. I'm on Meta Business Suite. You can either connect it to your Facebook or your Instagram. So once you have typed out Meta Business Suite, if you do not have an account and you click on get started, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to create an account by putting your details, your contact information, which includes your full name, your business email address, your birthday, phone number, and password. And then after you entered in all of those details, you'll be asked to connect your Facebook and Instagram account. All right, this integration allows you to manage both platforms seamlessly for one place. And then once you've done that, you'll be able to log in directly into your Meta Business Suite account, depending on the one that you've connected to it. For me, I've only connected my Facebook account. That's why you can see my Facebook account being displayed here, most especially my Facebook page. And then the next thing you can do now is now familiarize yourself with the Meta Business tools as well as their features. So this is how it works. It is very, very easy to use. So ensure you open or you create your own Meta Business Suite account today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.